How to add Shopify color swatches in PageFly. So first, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and then click on apps. Then just click open PageFly page builder app and then just click on extra functions. Click on manage here on open swatches. Wait for it to load. Options swatches, not open. And then click on add option swatch, and for the options here, select one of the options here. For me, I just select on color, then click on add option. Okay, now click on the product that you want to add the color swatch. Okay, now I'll just choose a color here for the display type, and it'll automatically use the values for the variants of your product. As for me, the variants of my products are blue and gray, and just click on save. Yeah, and just let's see if it worked. So click on pages, then click on PageFly page builder and click on the eye icon here, and let's see if it worked. Click on catalog, click on the product, and yep, so you can see it worked, but I did not add a blue color shirt yet. But so as you can see, the color swatches worked, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.